Good afternoon, good evening, guys. I'm walking into this street. There is school side around me and so on, but I'd like to welcome you to my channel, and I hope you enjoy the program today or the episode, as I'm walking around to talk about a couple of things about Thailand. And as I've been here for the last 4 years, so I accumulate a bit of knowledge, personal knowledge about Thailand and what you need to do as a foreigner in Thailand. But it is a general idea, it's not 100%, but you can take my advice or you leave it. Guys, let's start first of all about some advices I will be giving you. A lot of people, they're telling you about scams and so on, about especially in Bangkok and so on. So first of all, the scams is everywhere, right? 2, you have to be worried about how you spend your money. 3, don't go to the bars. It's the worst place you can go to, because if you're looking for a cheapskate, that is gonna be a big problem for you. And fourth point, I think, would be the superior. Don't think you are superior to Thai people. And another point is, help can be achieved by asking people, or sometimes even when you see people, when they see you, let me cross the road before anything. Yep. When they see you in need of help, they will come and help you. You will have no problem with that. So let's start with, first of all, scamming in taxis. Look, any traveler anywhere in the world, don't worry about where and how, but some countries it does happen more than the others. But scammers are all over, especially with taxis. Here you get taxis and tuk-tuks. They're trying to make things a bit tighter about tuk-tuk and taxis, so won't be any scamming and protecting tourists at the same time. But it does happen, but usually in a normal circumstances does not happen. To avoid all that, one is you have to ask, when you're going somewhere, ask the hotel or wherever you are staying how to get there. They would tell you, and if you need to get a taxi, they would tell you how to get a taxi. How to get a taxi is the best part of it, is get a Grab. But if you get a taxi on the street, that is fine, as long as you know they operating with the meter. If they're not operating with the meter, forget it. Don't even think about it, or don't even argue with the taxi driver. Just let him go or get out of the cab itself. Now, when I used to, when I traveled around, but now for the last 4 years, I really only been traveling around Thailand. But anytime I could travel anywhere in the world, first thing I will ask is the hotel reception, how can I get there? And if she tells me a taxi, how can I get the taxi is it expensive and how much would it cost me? Or is there any trains? I like to travel by trains. I want to feel the environment, I want to feel the country. They would tell you. So these things are so important, to get a taxi and you know what is happening. Don't go blindfolded. You need to know. It is so important to you and whoever you are traveling with. 2, let's say you are walking around the street, or you went to a temple or something, and the taxi driver or a tuk-tuk driver will say, it is closed, I will take you somewhere, come with me. But this way. We going, this is here is a fishing market, but I'm not going to the fishing market, but I'm just telling you it's on that side there. It's a fishing market if I keep going straight. But I'm going to a place where there's a lot of water and sea. It's just nice. So let's go back to our conversation. Is any taxi driver, say you, let's go back. Say you're going to a place and you're walking along, and on the way the taxi driver or a tuk-tuk driver, you're walking and they come straight over to you and they ask you, you want to go somewhere there, because this temple or whatever, it's closed. I will take you to another temple. It's really nice. Look, if you have not decided from beginning to go there, don't get into the taxi or whatsoever, because they will take you the way they want, and they will scam you. They will scam you anyway, regardless of the price or where they will take you. So you have to just say thank you, no, just keep going and aim to the place you are going to. Guys, in the middle of this, let's have a small stop, and please do not forget to subscribe and at least thumbs up for like, and I totally do appreciate it. Okay, let's go back to the video, guys. Okay, this one is so beautiful. There's the fish market there, and there's the beautiful water, but it is a low tide now, so you don't see much of. Yeah, it's a low tide, so it's alright, but still it is a nice place there. People, they come here and enjoy themselves like I am doing now. So and another thing is, even if you want to go with ride a tuk-tuk to a place, always ask the reception, is this how much they charge? Do not go blindfolded and you just go and ask the guy to take you to somewhere without knowing how much you charge. Okay, sometimes $1 or $2, it doesn't matter. What I'm trying to say is need to be awake, because the way they think, they're not harming the tourist, or they're not harming tourism itself, but it is a gain for that day, and that is good enough for them. But you need to be smart about it. I'll tell you about a story some years back when I came to Thailand. So that time used to be you get a taxi by a ticket, and I tell her where I'm going and how many bags I have. But then when I got to my destination, the taxi driver asked me for more money. I refused, and I said, I'll call the police now, and if you like, this is the money you need, what you deserve, and that's it. So he straight away he said it's okay. But regards to that, I gave him the money, and then I gave him 50 baht on top of it, just to tell him I'm not worried about the 50 baht or 100 baht, but I don't like to be cheated, as I am not an idiot. That is my purpose in there. So this is a nice place actually. I don't know what's in there, but it looks nice. So all these are fishery places and so on. And let me check. Is that a restaurant? I don't know. But it's closed. I would have gone in to show you. And there's welcome, but I don't know what this. And this is a car park for the fish market on the other side of the road. So there's one fish market on that side there, and then there's another fish market on the other across the road. So there's two fish markets in this area, and a lot of buses like these, traveling buses, they come around here and for tourists and so on. Even a lot of Thai people, they come to this area because it's nice. So yeah, very touristy area, but it's a lot of Thai tourists, not foreign tourists, they come to this area. So you will see some foreigners around here in this area because it's a tourist area, and it is well known for Thai people, but not for foreigners. So let's go back again to another thing is, don't think you are superior when you deal with people, because if you need help or you're trying to be smart with them, believe it or not, they won't be nice, and you're not a superior at that time. They'll make you a fool, make you feel a fool too, not just fool. So if you need a respect, people will respect you back. Thai people are not people who can be walked over, but they respect, and that is in their culture, respecting the others, respecting the elders, and so on. So don't think it is part of it. So it is part of the culture itself to respect each other and respect the elders at the same time. The other thing is, another thing is about the culture and how I know the Thai culture itself is I don't like to stay in one spot at all the time. I always want to know other people I might go to a tourist place for a day or two to see how it is, the place and all that. But then I venture outside of uh, the place to know how people are living and the way they live and how friendly they are. If I come to Thai people they are really friendly and good people. Yeah, you see a lot of catalogs and so on, TV commercials about Thailand, the temples, the beautiful sceneries and so on. That is very true, but that's what they showing you only what they want to show you. So what I do is basically I go venture outside where the tourists are not there. I go where people are living for make a living and how they live and so on. So that is so, and then I will know if they are really not only showing they are friendly or nice people, but I want to know what they are doing in the country and so on, and the way they live. Relationships in Thailand, it's a bit different than Western countries. It's more respectable. It is more got honor in it. What I say honor is they respect the partners, they respect each other and so on. They more devoted to you, not because of anything. Look, partnership it is as I understand it, is both of you working together. It's for one aim, and this is what it is. Guys, end of this video, I like to say thank you very much. I totally appreciate it if you push the like button and subscribe, as I see a lot of people they watching the video but they not subscribing to it. So please do not forget to subscribe and like, so I can do more content for you as I am traveling around Thailand or talking about Thailand itself. Thank you very much. I will see you soon. Bye bye for now. Bye.